Welcome to the Planner. This video demonstrates the Planner's key features and some of the ways it can be used. You can use the Planner to plot out what courses are necessary to complete your degree and program requirements. This is a great way to see what requirements you might need if, for example, you were to switch programs or add a new minor. You can create up to 5 hypothetical scenarios. The tool tells you if you're missing prerequisites for hypothetical courses and allows you to prepare accordingly. Let's take a closer look. The Planner automatically opens up to the last plan you're reviewing and plots courses along a vertical sessional timeline. Click on the plus sign above the Planner to add a new session. To remove it, click on the X. You can scroll down to the fall of 2016 to see courses you've already taken. A green C means that the course is still complete. A red U means that the course was not successfully completed. A blue P means that the course is in progress and currently being taken. A green O means that a hypothetical course has no assessment issues and is assessed OK. Below the Planner, you'll see your degree and programs of study. To see degree requirements, simply click on the plus sign to the left of your degree. This expands the degree requirements. To see the details, click on the plus sign to the left of Requirements. Recs 1 and 2 are marked as incomplete. Notice that you still need one more credit to satisfy requirements 1 and 3. Recs 4, 5, and 6 have been satisfied and are marked as complete. Rec 5 is marked as pending. Let's click on the plus sign to the left of pending to see the requirements. Rec 5 has courses still in progress. Now let's add a hypothetical course to summer 2018 just for fun. Notice these orange boxes with an exclamation mark. These indicate a prerequisite issue with the hypothetical course. If you hover over the box, you'll see what prerequisites are required. For CSB 3251, you'll need all of Bio 270H1 and Bio 271H1 in order to be able to take it. Good to know. You'll notice that once you've met all requirements, as is the case of a minor in Spanish, your estimated progress will be at 100%. You'll also see that the requirements for your degree and programs say pending if the requirements are still in progress. Of course, all of these courses are indicated as being hypothetical. You can also use the Planner to examine the possibility of switching programs. Let's add a new scenario by clicking on the plus tab at the top of the Planner screen. Now let's scroll down to Programs and type in the full or partial name of a program to get a suggestion list. You'll need to enter a minimum of 5 characters to see the suggestion list. If you do not know the code for the program, but know the subject is history, then enter History and see a list of all history programs to choose from. Let's select a major in history and click Add. The program appears under Programs. You'll need to reassess before checking out the requirements. Click on the plus sign to open up these. Using the Planner, you'll be able to see how long it might take if you wanted to become a history major. Don't worry, the hypothetical programs you add have no impact on your current record. This is your space to investigate and explore the possibilities. Give it a try. Hey, aren't you glad you planned ahead?